Hi traders, good morning. It's the 23rd of January 2014, 8:39 GMT. This is the index analysis for today, current time. Yesterday we saw a Euro Aussie dollar sell-off, which subsequently rebounded quite substantially from yesterday's low. It's just rallied all the way up. So if you had tried to get into that trade around the previous day's low, which we suggested on the chart, you'd have been if you made a little bit of money from around here to here, but then if you didn't take your profits or trail your stops, you'd have been stopped out because it just rallied right up. So can't win them all. Anyway, today we're seeing euro strength on the hourly, and we're seeing Canadian dollar weakness across the board, quite substantially, and again we're seeing euro strength on daily and 4 hourly as well. So arguably one of the best trades at the moment would be Euro CAD. So let's just have a look at the Euro CAD chart. So we've got Euro CAD here on the hourly basis. Just zoom in a little bit. I'm just going to apply some daily pivots over the top of this chart. So again, pretty strong rally here. The temptation would be to, let's just close or move the analyzer up here a little bit. Looking at the higher time frames, potentially if you see a retest of yesterday's high, which also coincides with M3, I think. Let's just check that. Just applying intermediate M levels. Yeah. So you've got a yesterday's high and a confluence with M3 here. It'd be quite tempting to try and go long there, but we'll see what happens. I mean, if you wanted to get into the market a bit more quickly, potentially you could wait for a rejection of this R3 level, which has been tested here, and potentially come back in again on R2. But again, you'd have to monitor price action to make sure you're comfortable with that. It's not a lot of bacon in there, really. So, difficult one. You know, the events have happened with this euro correction or euro rally. So, you don't want to chase it, essentially. So, you really need to wait for a retrace to a level you're comfortable with. From my perspective, I'd be looking probably to come in around the 150 level, so we're talking about quite a reasonable correction. But if you're a more aggressive trader and you're looking at a more high frequency, you may want to consider coming in at this support level around here, which would be R2, assuming that level holds. So that's the analysis for the day, and there's nothing much more. Let's have a quick look to see if there's anything else which is of interest. Swiss franc could be an interesting one. Seeing Swiss franc strength on daily and 4 hourly. So let's have a little look at CAD Swiss franc. So again, we're talking about a fairly substantial CAD sell-off again. Looking at this chart here, which is hourly, for sort of shorter term, more aggressive traders, you may want to be considering a short around the S2 level, and if you get a retrace, or potentially wait until you see something a bit more reasonable, which would be a retrace to around yesterday's low and the previous swing low points around here, around the 82.20 to 30 area. So again, all based upon your preferred time frames and how you like to trade. Aggressive traders would be looking to enter the market on a small retrace to around the 81.50 level. More longer term traders would potentially wait for price action to come up and retest these swing low points here, which would favour a much longer term position, assuming they hold, of course. Market does seem to be a bit choppy at the moment. Anyway, there you go. That's the index analysis for the day using the FX Algo Trader Index Analyzer, which is a platform-independent Java-based application which can sit on top of any application you wish. So it's Windows-based, so you can have it on top of Outlook, anywhere you want on your desktop. So it's a great way to keep an eye on the market, see exactly what's going on, and you can obviously create email alerts as well to a Yahoo designated account, and you've also given an alert trigger up here with the trigger time associated when the alert's created. The alerts are based on trader-defined filters, which are set using this filter control panel here. Anything in the green boxes is applicable for the filter controls or the filter management system. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. You can see this product on the FX Algo Trader website under products, and then look for the platform independent tools and then FX Index Analyzer. Thanks for watching.